Focal speakers are perennial favorites here at Crutchfield, and with good reason. And if you're willing to make the investment in pursuit of great sound, their K2 power speakers tend to exceed already lofty expectations. These are jam-packed with innovative features, many of which are found in their high-end home speakers as well, that work together to produce sound that's warm, natural, accurate, powerful, and distortion-free. Of course, the best way to understand how good these speakers sound is to hear them. First, let's dive into the woofers. K2 woofers use a W-cone design, which sandwiches a foam core between a layer of woven fiberglass and a layer of Kevlar. The benefits here? First and foremost, a perfect combination of rigidity and lightness. The rigidity means the cones don't flex, even under high power loads, and they're designed to handle a ton of power. The lightness makes them extremely reactive to the input signal they're receiving for movement that provides extreme accuracy and reproduction of the tiniest details. And these light cones offer excellent damping. They can stop on a dime to reduce unwanted extra resonance. The result of all these elements? Sound that's super warm and inviting, with bass that can hit hard, and clear playback of those delicate, nuanced details of your music. The woofers also feature what Focal calls their tuned mass damper surrounds. Like most aftermarket speakers, they're made of rubber and are super strong. These surrounds feature twin tubes on the edge that provide a stabilizing, oscillating force at the surround's natural resonant frequency, which is a fancy way of saying that they help control and minimize surround movement, which in turn allows for better linear cone movement and pretty much zero distortion, even when reproducing deep bass hits. Finally, the woofers feature a radial cooling design to keep from overheating. 6 holes at the bottom of the basket push hot air out and keep the voice coils nice and cool. This allows for higher power handling, better SPL, which means really solid bass, excellent sustained performance, and a long speaker life. Now let's take a look at the tweeters. These are what make K2 power speakers really special. The tweeters employ a patented M design inverted dome. You can see the M shape if you look at a cross-section of the tweeters. This allows for greater dispersion of the high notes, which means wider sweet spot listening, which is fairly essential for the car environment, where you're limited in tweeter placement by the contours of your car's interior. This design also promotes extreme accuracy. Think of all those marvelous tiny high notes that really draw you into your music, and a frequency response well over 20,000 Hz. The tweeters also feature a unique push-pull motor structure for accurate cone movement, and a sealed chamber design that provides excellent air suspension for damping, which, like the woofers, reduces unwanted distortion by eliminating unnecessary cone movement. These elements also contribute to the accuracy of the tweeters and to highs that are simply thrilling. Finally, I'd like to share a few details about the crossovers that come with the K2 component speakers. They're meticulously designed and laid out to reduce the effects of heat, and they do an impeccable job blending the frequencies of the drivers for simply amazing sound staging that's high and wide. They're a big reason K2s sound as natural as they do. These crossovers also offer the option to bi-amp the woofers and tweeters for even more precise control over individual driver performance. So if you're looking for a breathtaking sonic experience in the car, I encourage you to give Focal's K2 power speakers a serious look. Their natural sound, superior staging, and ability to play even the tiniest details will make your music shine and might just turn your car into your favorite place to listen to music.